Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, my name is Muhammad Sadam from Mechanical Engineering study program. I am here to tell about precision plan. First, I want to go to the with sand beach because the with sand beach, the scenery is very beautiful and calm. And for the second plan, I want to go to the top of Mount Gede Pangrango because Gunung Gede Pangrango is still with free speed, unlike in a city full motor vehicle smoke. Until there, I want to spoil my eyes with a beautiful view on the clouds. Never mind going out with my friend. Will have been more fun with coffee in hand and very soft music. But uh, but all of that can only be planned because with the coronavirus is very difficult to travel to tourist essential leaks that hopefully in November the coronavirus will disappear because I can't wait to feel this pleasure. Maybe that's just my plan. Hopefully in November. For the future, I want to go the house my extensive family in Cianjur to stay in touch and all for a vacation with extended family and pray in the future that this pandemic can quickly pass and be able to carry out return as a school. The last semester holiday will be a moment that I will wait for because as long as since the 9th tahun grade, I spend more time to that's going some activity social with my hobby. My last holiday with class, very simple holiday. I will only touch home for doing my hobby such as writing, drawing, also visiting my friend's house on the first day until the fifth, fifth tahun day. I will spend my time with write some short story, can with my family, and paint some at home. Still on my vacation, I went to work and buy a motorbike. So by buying this motorbike, I can go vacation around Indonesia. Maybe where I want to share a new motorbike. So by using a motorbike, I can go to campus easily. No need to use public transportation. So that's cover costs are more durable and we don't need to get stuck on public transportation. It's back again. Holiday on this position. I am more too okay. Maybe that's just my passion plan in the future. Maybe there could be a new plan on or I am implementing this plan because something the plan are not what expectations, so we just wait for the future like what ifs plan. Alhamdulillah, if it's this to according to plan, how people in becomes a plan that is not good plan. Thank you for me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Thank you if you subscribe. Thank you all for starting. Thank you in essential. Thank you for everything. Thank you Miss Muhammad Sadam from Mechanical Engineering in 2020. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.